Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, good to see you again. Dr. Rehrig at your service in an ongoing presentation, little short discussions about you, your health, and as far as I'm concerned, common sense. Common sense isn't so common, as many of us know, but some of this information I think you can use. A long time ago, we were all told that the way to get healthy and to maintain our weight was to cut fat out of our diet. And I remember because when I started practice, that made total sense. If you're eating fat, you should get fat. But I don't know if any of you else noticed, but a lot of times that was not the case. We cut fat out of our diet and we were all getting obese. So I was doing the same thing actually, and then something came to mind that I think, if you think about it, makes a lot of sense, and that is this. First of all, I ask patients, what do farmers feed their cattle, their livestock, to fatten them up? Do they feed them fat, or do they feed them grains? I'll let you think about it. They feed them grains. In this day and age, basically corn. So what are they actually using to fatten them up for slaughter, to get them to our dining room table? They're feeding them grains. So think about it, what are we eating? We're getting fattened up too by our own food choices. What are we eating? We're eating cereal, which is a grain. We're eating bread, that's a grain. We're eating pasta, we're eating bagels, we're eating pancakes, we're eating waffles, we're eating donuts, you can go on and on. Actually, they're all derived from grain. And the grain they use most of the time for the flour to make all those things is wheat. Wheat, inside of it is a starch. Starch converts to glucose, blood sugar, and from that, if you're not using it up, you're not burning it up, it will get stored as fat. But back to my farmers, what I'm getting at is this. They don't use fat to fatten them up, they use grains. And we've been eating grains for a long time. And it's showing. So my point is this, that you need to start to cut out the grains in your life. Even though they may look like bagels and bread and pasta and cereal and everything, they're grains. And for you, it's trouble. Because they will convert to fat if you're not burning it up, and most of us don't have time anymore. Tuesday nights, by the way, at 6:45 every Tuesday night, we do a little PowerPoint presentation that helps you understand more about what I just discussed. About fat, about obesity, about diabetic problems that are epidemic in this country, and what you can do about it. How to get healthy again and at the same time get slim and trim and look good. Give us a call, 610-566-9040, and sign up for one of these presentations. You'll enjoy it, you'll learn a lot, and you won't regret it. Give us a call and hope to see you some Tuesday night.